GM and welcome to a new video, this time in English. We're gonna cover DeBridge, which is a new cross-chain bridge where you can swap assets from different chains, for example from Matic to ARP, with different tokens that you can choose from. They have a funding of $5.5 million, as you can see here. Funding insights investors, Animoca Brands, IOSG, Parafy Capital, and some others. Not too bad, definitely. The point system is live. I haven't done too much myself, but I will do more in the next couple of months because, as I just said, the point system is live. Everything you need to know. As always, I will put all the links down in the description. If you sign up, feel free to use my referral, which is, as I just said, down in the descriptions. I will earn 25% on top of 25% of what you guys get. So, for example, if you earn 100 points, I'll get 25, but you don't get less. Maybe as a little thank you for showing you this in this video. There's a great thread on that, on how to use it. I mean, the bridge itself is pretty basic. You basically just go in and swap. Like I don't really have Matic on this wallet, so I'm not gonna do this swap, but you could go in here and swap, for example, 100 Matic to ARP on Arbitrum, or ETH on Arbitrum, or BNB on the BNB chain. So really you can swap between different chains and different assets, which is pretty great. You can even send it to another address. So for example, if you have another address where you want to send this on BNB, this is a great feature. You just put in the BNB chain address where you want this to be. The point system is live, as I said. You don't need as many points to go in the top 100k and also not in the top 10k. So it's not as overfarmed yet. TGE will be, so token generation event will be in approximately 2 months or 1.5 months. So there's still plenty of time to do this and do this on a regular basis. Do some swaps. You get points for every swap that you do. For example, for 5 Matic, it gets you 37 points. Let's see if I go on ARP ETH and I would swap 0.01. That gets you 337 points. It has an EDA of 3 seconds. So this is really fast, this bridge. And you can earn some points. You can refer friends yourself. And as I just said, you get points from them. About the strategy, this thread is pretty good. I'm going to put the thread in the description as well. Here's what you should do to get in the top 500. I'm going to sum this up real quick. He says you got to spend $550 in fees to get in the top 500. And the best way to do this actually is, you don't have to spend $500, but actually the most effective thing is to bridge 0.01 ETH or less between chains, because if you bridge 0.01 ETH, you need to pay an additional $4.2, resulting in 389 points without slippage fees. And if you increase the amount bridged to 0.02 ETH, you only get 412 points. So it makes more sense if you just do this for farming to just do a couple of 0.01 ETH transactions. Always try to bridge between different chains and different assets, but I would always go with the layer 2s and not with the mainnet, definitely, because of high gas fees. He also created a table. You can see this here, where you can see the points versus the costs, and definitely the amount of 0.01 ETH is definitely the best by far. So bridging 1 ETH, it is not really that efficient in terms of getting points here for the leaderboard. That's already it. I hope this video helped you. If you bridge between different chains, maybe you just use this if you want to farm the airdrop from DeBridge and get as many points as possible. Bridge between different layer 2s or the BNB chain Do it with small amounts like 0.01 ETH, and then you should be good for the airdrop. That's it for now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a like and refer this video to 1 or 2 friends, or re-share it on the different social media platforms. And that being said, thanks for watching and see you next time.